With a population of almost 3 million inhabitants, Salvador is the third largest city in Brazil, the capital of the state of Bahia. Salvador lives by the rhythm of music and uses it successfully to convey a great sense of social cohesion within the rich multicultural city. Salvador has been the birthplace of many music genres. It was no surprise that it was here that Michael Jackson decided to record his song, They Don't Care About Us, further discussed on another video. Salvador's creative economy heavily relies on the music sector. To learn more on this subject, let's explore it with Cali from Here I Go Brazil. If you enjoyed the video, kindly give it a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. We start this journey at the restaurant Maria de São Pedro, which is facing the beautiful view of the Bay of All Saints. So, what is the name of this area? Where are we here?
It's Comércio.
Comércio?
Yeah, Comércio.
Okay. So, is it just like private boats, people just hanging out, or what is it here exactly? Tourism?
Public boats. There you can take the boat to cross the island.
Okay.
The biggest island, Taparica.
Uh-huh.
And you can take a catamaran and go to Morro de São Paulo, one of the most famous islands.
Okay.
Is a tourist island, really, really beautiful, and you can have fun there.
All right.
It's 2 hours crossing.
2 hours from here? Okay.
Everything here, there is a relation with the Catholic religion of Candomblé. São Pedro is Catholic saint.
Oh, San Pedro is a Catholic saint.
And this symbol is from Candomblé. Look up here.
Oh, yeah, that's true. Oh. And you have a beautiful view of the water here. And everybody's here catching a little bit of sun, eating, drinking, having a good time. It's a beautiful area here. And this restaurant has been serving amazing Bahian food since 1925. You come here for the view of the harbor and the seafood. The waitresses wear very colorful dresses and the customer service is amazing. I highly recommend. Next, we went to the Museum of Brazilian Music, where I got accustomed to the rich diversity of Brazilian music in the heart of the historic center of Salvador Bahia. This region is one of the pillars of Brazilian music. The entire museum collection is presented via interactive audiovisual displays. You can explore the city's rich musical culture through the medium of modern technology.
They make box braids here, Pelourinho, really famous. Black woman, really pretty. IvainTures is a singer. She sings Axé music. It's a really strong kind of music from Brazil. Let me see. Compadre Rochas, pagode, another kind. Samba,
Recha, okay.
She also sings Axé.
You know who this guy looks like? He looks like Flavor Flav from the United States. Really? He's a guy with a big clock. I'm gonna show you his picture shortly. He looks like his twin.
Yeah.
Wow.
He sings samba.
Okay. Right on. Okay. The next step was the music class, and we learned about the process of making music the most natural way. This is the process used by artists when they don't have enough money to have actual instruments. Then we witnessed live the drum magic. After the museum fun, we went back outside to witness music live. In Salvador, just follow the music. In Salvador, rhythm and melody is everywhere. I mean, everywhere. In Pelourinho, they have samba and reggae rehearsals on the street all the time. It's a never-ending soundtrack on the street, and music provides such a vibrant energy. It's always fun to walk around Salvador. just going to watch, I had to get my hands dirty myself. So we headed down to the next place for some drum classes. Even though I'm African, this was actually my first time playing the drum, and it was such a great experience. Music in Bahia is how they maintain a connection with their ancestors. Everywhere in this city, you are surrounded and immersed in music. Music is everything. It gives you power, it gives you direction, it gets you through the day by day, and it helps you understand who you are as a person. Brazilian drums are the best known for the sound of samba, and Brazil has the most diverse musical background and history among all the countries in the world. African drumming in Brazil is associated with bodily movement and dance. In the ritual ceremonies of the religion candomblé, dance can lead to a state of trance. Ritual songs and dances in candomblé are governed by the sound of drum from a set of 3 sacred drums known as the atapaque. The drum skin is derived from the animals sacrificed in the offerings. More on this on the next video.
So here we have Baiana de Acarajé.
Okay.
Baiana is the woman. They're cooked special food. Traditional from candomblé religion. They start to produce the food because they need money to get the alforria.
Yes.
To get free.
Yes.
To get free. So they start to sell this, but the origin is in the religion candomblé.
Candomblé, okay.
So it was so good that they thought like, oh, it's so good, we can sell it everywhere.
Yeah.
So now it's a symbol of culture. It's a patrimony from our country.
Yes.
And it's considered like a job. And normal who make is women and normal black women. But you can see also white women or men selling. But the traditional is exactly this.
Okay.
A black woman cooking, you can see.
Yeah.
The base of this food is beans.
Beans, huh?
Beans, yeah.
Okay.
So she makes like a pasta.
Yes.
And cooking the palm oil.
Cooking the palm oil.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not industrial palm oil. It's a good.
The real natural palm oil.
Extraction, exactly. The real natural palm oil. And after get cooked, it's really crispy. Good. She cut and put inside more ingredients like vatapá, caruru, and salad.
Okay.
She also sell another food. The name is abará.
Abará.
A gente pode ver o abará? Ele vai provar. Cocada, sweet, coconut.
Coconut.
Toasted.
Toasted. Okay. Thank you for explaining that.
Seus olhos e seus olhares, milhares de tentações. Meninas são tão mulheres, seus truques e confusões se espalham pelos look e cabelo, peitos e poses e apelos me agarram pelas pernas. Certas mulheres como você levam sempre de quem. Garotos não resistem aos seus mistérios. Garotos nunca dizem não. Garotos como eu sempre tão espertos perto de uma mulher. São só garotos. Perto de uma mulher são só garotos.
So-
Anyway, if you like, of course, you in a under level for everybody.
Yes.
Like the minimum salary in Brazil is from the black. The max is white man after white woman after black man and after black woman. The same stream. Vou botar pra você porque você é um pouco legal.
I don't understand what you're saying right now, but
But you understand.
it sounds good.
Você é um pouquinho legal, então eu vou botar aqui pra você.
Yeah. Maybe you just insulted me. I have no idea. But I don't know. All right.
Chicken, a dog,
Wow, man.
that kind, it's very exotic.
Look at these animals here. Oh,
Costs
wow.
8,000 reais.
Oh, my goodness. Look at that.
8,000 reais. It's very expensive,
Wow.
very exotic.
Very exotic animal. It hurts me, man, to see this. This is crazy. Wow.